Hi superstars, it's another palm oil week and today I'll be giving you updates on palm oil business in Nigeria and palm oil storage business in Nigeria. I'll be telling you the latest trends and the current price of jerrycans and palm oil. So those who are in palm oil business can have informed decisions on price, on how to buy palm oil and how to sell their palm oil. Okay, my superstars. So let's get started. Personally, as someone who's in palm oil business, I make sure that I make inquiries on the price of palm oil daily because palm oil business is one business that fluctuates, my superstars. It is never constant. Today it goes up, tomorrow it goes down. Okay, the price is never constant. So there's every chance that if you do not know the price of palm oil daily, you may either buy at a high price or you could sell at a low price. The price could go up without your knowledge and you end up selling at a low price. So it's always best to know the price of palm oil from time to time so it can help you make informed decisions. Imagine having palm oil and then you sell at a low price, not knowing that the price has increased. By the time you want to go and buy again, you are definitely buying at a higher price. So if you had sold at a low price, that means you'll be selling at a loss, okay, and you have to add money to buy the next consignment. So it's always best to be up to speed on the current price, as this will guide you on how to make sales in palm oil. So that's why I'm here to give you daily, weekly price of palm oil. Alright, so in our last video, I spoke about the challenges we had in palm oil business, which was jerrycans. I mentioned that we didn't have a lot of jerrycans in Akwa Ibom State Uyo. As a matter of fact, it is scarce. Okay, the ones I see go for 5,500, while some people sell 6,000 naira. And it's not even available, as in you see it scantily. Here you could see like 5, there you could see like 2. Okay, it is not available. All right, so I came out here and I asked people who had ideas on where I could get jerrycans, okay, on where people could get affordable jerrycans that will enable them buy palm oil and store this here at a good price. And so many people gave amazing answers. So in this video, first I want to appreciate my superstars who came through. Okay, they dropped amazing feedback in the comment section. They are superstar Jimo, superstar Ifunaya, and superstar Casey Chicks. Thank you very much for your amazing input. I'm so sure so many people who watched that video would have had ideas on where to get jerrycans at an affordable rate that will enable them start their palm oil storage business effectively. So thank you very much, my superstars. All right, so I'm yet to find here in Akwa Ibom State. The places were mentioned were Lagos. Okay, all right, so I'm still making inquiries on where I can get affordable jerrycans close to me, okay, to cut down on cost of logistics and time on the road. So I'm still on it, and when I do, I'll inform you, my superstars. All right, so as of today, the price of jerrycan in Akwa Ibom State is still 5,500 for 25 liters, and some people sell 6,000 naira for 25 liters. All right, so that brings us to the price of palm oil. Okay, so last week I mentioned that the price of palm oil dropped to 45,000 naira and then increased again to 47,000 naira. All right, so in the course of the week it dropped gradually, and as of today the price of palm oil is 45,000 naira for freshly milled palm oil. All right, palm oil only. Okay, so if you need palm oil only in Akwa Ibom State to you, the price is 45,000 naira for freshly milled palm oil. Okay, so now is not the time for storage. For those who want to go into palm oil storage business, now is not the time. Please don't buy at 45,000 naira for storage. It is on the high side. You still have to wait and hold on, pending when the price of palm oil will drop. From then you can buy and store. All right, so have you liked this video? Please, my superstars, give me a thumbs up, as this will encourage me to bring contents like this. Okay, it will make me know that you love this, you love this update, and I'll keep bringing more from time to time. So like I said, don't buy for storage now. Now is not a good time. I'll keep bringing updates like this from time to time, so you'll be notified on when to buy and store. All right, my superstars. Okay, so if you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any updates, my superstars. Please hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever there's a new video. All right, thank you for watching, my superstars. Till our next video, always and always remember that I love you. Bye, superstars.